The Dark World, is a superhero film released in 2013, as part of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, MCU. Directed by Alan Taylor, the film is the sequel to Thor, and the 8th installment in the MCU. The movie begins with a prologue that introduces the Dark Elves, an ancient race led by Malekith the Accursed, played by Christopher Eccleston. Malekith seeks to plunge the universe into darkness using a weapon called the Aether, which harnesses the power of the dark matter known as the dark energy. Meanwhile, on Earth, Thor, played by Chris Hemsworth, is busy restoring order to the 9 realms after the events of The Avengers. His adoptive brother, Loki, played by Tom Hiddleston, is imprisoned on Asgard for his crimes. Jane Foster, played by Natalie Portman, Thor's love interest, discovers a mysterious portal known as the Convergence and accidentally becomes the host for the Aether. As the Convergence begins, Thor brings Jane to Asgard for her safety and seeks the help of his father, Odin, played by Anthony Hopkins. However, Malekith and his Dark Elves invade Asgard, killing Frigga, played by Renee Russo, Thor and Loki's mother. Seeking revenge, Thor decides to align with Loki, who offers his knowledge of the Dark Elves and their plans. Thor and Loki devise a plan to escape Asgard and confront Malekith on his home world of Svartalfheim. They enlist the help of Heimdall, played by Idris Elba, to transport themselves to Svartalfheim without Odin's knowledge. Meanwhile, the remaining Asgardians, including Sif, played by Jamie Alexander, and the Warriors 3, fight to protect Asgard from Malekith's forces. Thor and Loki confront Malekith, but their initial attempt to destroy the Aether fails. Malekith absorbs the Aether, becoming incredibly powerful. Thor realizes that the only way to stop Malekith is to use the Aether's power against him. He trickles Malekith into teleporting to Svartalfheim, where Thor uses his hammer, Mjolnir, to redirect the gravitational forces and create a powerful implosion that seemingly destroys Malekith and the Aether. After the battle, Thor returns to Asgard and declines the throne, allowing Odin to continue ruling. Thor chooses to remain on Earth to be with Jane. Meanwhile, it is revealed that Loki, who was presumed dead, is still alive and secretly posing as Odin, setting up future events in the MCU. Thor, The Dark World, sets the stage for further exploration of the 9 realms and the ongoing conflicts within the MCU, leading up to the epic events of Avengers: Infinity War and Avengers: Endgame.